I'm often asked how many exercises am I going to have to do as associated with the Strauss method of scoliosis treatment. The answer varies from patient to patient, but generally speaking, I'm going to give a person around 11 or so exercises that they're going to do at home. Plus, they're going to also do active self-correction. Plus, they're also going to use activities of daily living. Plus, they're also going to have targeted stretching. Plus, they're also going to have neuromuscular reeducation. So it sounds like a lot, and it is, because some people are coming to me with significant problems. So I think that people should think in terms of doing exercise around 35 to 40 minutes a day, once a day. This seems to be about the right mix for most people. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.